Okay guys, and welcome. This is Alex Stars Vlogs HG, and welcome to my channel. This is going to be a bit different. I'm going to do trains along the Teignmouth SeaWall, see what we can get on camera. So yeah, this will be different. Thought I'd do this as I'm in Teignmouth. So yeah, I suppose you're going to see any kind of trains coming along the Teignmouth SeaWall, from Great Western Railway, HSTs and Crosscountries zooming through, and other like 150 smaller trains coming into Teignmouth, etc. So yeah, we'll come back in a few seconds guys, once another train comes zooming by. See you in a bit guys. The number 143619 at the front. We'll come back in a few seconds guys, once some more trains arrive. You guys, got another train coming along now. 4 carriages. On 240 at the front and 153382 at the back. Assuming that's stopping there in Teignmouth.
I think you can with a new.
We'll come back in a few seconds guys, once some more trains come in by. Okay guys, we're back. I thought I'd just quickly let you know that it is a Sunday, so probably not going to get trains coming along the Teignmouth SeaWall frequently as you would do on a weekday or a Saturday. So I'll try my best to get many trains on camera. So yeah, I just want to let you know that. Anyway, yeah, we'll come back in a few seconds and see if there's any more possible trains that will come along. Okay guys, cheers. There we go guys, got a HST on camera. Four 3024 at the back, didn't quite get the number at the front. Yeah, okay guys, well yeah, we'll come back in a few seconds, see if there's any more trains. Crosscountry on camera as well. You come around quite fast guys. I'll come back in a few seconds guys, see if there's any more trains that come along. Okay guys, we're back. Like I said, this is a Sunday guys, so you're not going to get many trains coming along the SeaWall frequently as Monday and Friday or a Saturday. So I do apologise on that. I'm only it's just a matter of a waiting game for the trains to come along. So yeah, I thought I'll let you know, and yeah, I don't know how to keep the camera rolling, probably not. I'm trying to reserve battery life, so yeah, so yeah, not much else I can say really. But we'll come back in a few seconds guys. Hopefully another train will come along, but at least we have seen some trains. We've seen the Crosscountry, we've seen the Great Western Railway, and we've seen other, you know, smaller trains in between. So we've seen something along the SeaWall, so it's better than nothing. But yeah, I just thought I'd give you a quick update and let you know on that. So we'll come back and see if there's any more trains that will come along. Yeah, so cheers guys. Okay guys, finally got another train coming along on this side. Another HST, Great Western Railway. He's coming along very shortly. I'll keep the camera rolling. Obviously going to Plymouth or Penzance, assuming he is. Okay guys, I think that'll be it now for the trains along the Teignmouth SeaWall. Managed to see a few trains, so yeah, thanks for watching, and make sure to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Cheers guys.